Here. Any spirits who want to talk, use your energy to talk through this box. You can come and tell us what you want us to hear. Can you tell us if there's any spirits here? How many spirits are here?
He said 3.
You said 3.
I heard 3.
Are they good or bad? Are they evil? Are they demonic? Give us a sign of your presence.
I feel like there's something
Make the
over
wind
here.
pick up. Tap on my car. Make a scream.
Yeah, no.
Flick a light. The wind is picking up a little bit. A little more than it was when we got here.
Not like he said Zozo.
Are you evil?
I heard Zozo.
I know.
Or Zo as in Zozo.
Can you tell us your name? What? What did he say?
She said she thought he heard his name being Scott.
Scott?
Zozo.
Scott? Did you say Scott?
He said, yup. One of them said Zozo.
Are you evil, Scott?
Oh, he is.
Are you a demon, Scott? Are you trapped here? Did you hear? Ooh.
It was a woman.
Yeah. Woman spirit, can you tell us your name? Yep. What's your name, woman spirit? I do hear whispering in the distance.
It's over here. It's real
It's over
people.
there?
Yeah, it's real people. It might be in that yard.
Can you tell us what or if anything has happened to you? Why are you trapped here? Why are you trapped here? Did you hear the woman?
Yeah, but she
Make yourself clear. Use your energy. Yeah, I hear them. There's people like right there on the corner.
She thought she heard one of them say break.
Break?
Yeah.
Those people say break? Oh. So again,
Oh, hell.
are you trying to scare us?
If he keeps Zozo saying Zo,
Are we in danger?
there's a Zozo demon here.
She said yes. Should we leave?
That means that there's a demon right here. He said,
Shuhir said yes. Are we gonna get
move to another
hurt
spot.
if we don't move? He said yes. Okay, we're gonna leave. You need to stay here. You cannot attach yourself to us, my car, my phone, or anything. Yeah, it said leave.
Evil, deep
Crazy
voice.
voice. You
Leave.
must stay here. Goodbye. You
Fuckers.
always want to end a session by saying goodbye and telling them they cannot attach themselves to you.
That's the second time he said Zoe.
Yeah.
As in Zozo Demon.
We're going to find another spot right now.
You okay?
You alright, Julie?
She's
She
just,
grabbed her head.
the emotions are getting to her.
You okay?
She's okay.
She'll be alright. Gotta calm down.
You want to do another one or you want to go home?
I can do another one.
Hmm?
I can do another one.
Are you okay?
Sure?
I thought you were crying.
I'm about to.
About to. She heard the voices and they